Hello everyone! Starting now, we're going to begin the Roblox Rivals gameplay video. In this video, based on the latest 2026 update, I will show you all the newest Rivals codes that are currently working in the game, all in one place. Even after the recent update, there are still many codes that haven't expired and are still usable. So I strongly recommend that you don't skip any part and watch the video until the end. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss some important Rivals codes that are still working. Before we begin, I'll also be hosting a simple Rivals giveaway event. Through this giveaway, you'll have a chance to receive any item you want from the in-game shop. How to participate is very simple. First, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then, leave your Roblox username in the comments. Finally, watch the video until the end, and your giveaway entry will be complete. Important notice: if you don't watch the video until the end, your participation will be automatically cancelled. So please be careful. Now let's officially begin entering the Rivals codes. All the codes I'm about to show you have been personally tested and confirmed to be working as of 2026. For those who don't know how to enter codes in Rivals, I'll explain it very simply. First, click on the Shop menu at the bottom of the screen. Then select the More button and go to the Codes section. You will see a code input box at the bottom. From now on, just enter the codes exactly as I show them. The order of entering the codes does not matter. Now then, let's start entering all the Rivals codes one by one. Let's begin right away.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean